We've all probably met someone who seems a little too self-centered. They might brag a lot, fish for compliments, or have trouble seeing things from your point of view. While it's normal to have some self-interest, these traits can sometimes point to a deeper issue: narcissistic personality disorder, or NPD. NPD is a complex mental health condition. It affects how people see themselves and interact with others. Understanding NPD is crucial because it can have serious consequences for both the individual and those around them. In this essay, we'll break down the symptoms of NPD in a clear and understandable way. This information is for educational purposes and should not be used for self-diagnosis. If you recognize these symptoms in yourself or someone you know, seeking professional help is essential. Narcissistic personality disorder is a mental health condition characterized by an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep need for admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. Individuals with NPD often have an exaggerated sense of their own accomplishments and abilities. They may believe they are superior to others and require constant attention and validation to feed their ego. This disorder can significantly impair an individual's ability to form and maintain healthy relationships. It can also lead to problems in various areas of life, including work, school, and personal interactions. It's important to note that NPD is a complex disorder, and not everyone with narcissistic traits has NPD. A diagnosis requires a thorough evaluation by a qualified mental health professional. Grandiosity is a hallmark symptom of NPD. It refers to an unrealistic sense of superiority and self-importance. People with NPD often see themselves as exceptional, unique, and deserving of special treatment. They might exaggerate their achievements or talents, expecting others to recognize and admire them for their supposed brilliance. They may also have an arrogant and haughty attitude, believing they are above rules and social norms. For example, imagine a coworker who constantly boasts about their accomplishments, even if their contributions were minimal. They might take credit for others' work or dominate conversations, redirecting the focus back to themselves. This inflated sense of self can be alienating and frustrating for those around them. Section 4. The constant need for admiration. Individuals with narcissistic personality disorder crave admiration and validation from others. This need for constant positive reinforcement stems from their fragile self-esteem and their belief that they are exceptional. They thrive on compliments, praise, and special treatment. This need for admiration can manifest in various ways, from seeking attention through flashy clothing and possessions, to constantly seeking reassurance about their appearance or accomplishments. They may surround themselves with people they deem worthy of their presence, using them to bolster their ego. For instance, someone with narcissistic personality disorder might constantly post selfies on social media, fishing for likes and compliments. They might become upset or angry if they feel ignored or unappreciated, interpreting it as a personal slight against their perceived greatness. Section 5. Lack of empathy, a core characteristic. One of the most striking features of narcissistic personality disorder is a profound lack of empathy. This means they have difficulty understanding and sharing the feelings of others. They may be completely indifferent to the needs and emotions of those around them, even close friends and family members. Their self-centeredness prevents them from recognizing that others have their own thoughts, feelings, and experiences. They may be dismissive or even contemptuous of others' emotions, seeing them as weaknesses or inconveniences. For example, imagine a friend who is going through a difficult time, like a job loss or a breakup. Instead of offering support and understanding, a person with narcissistic personality disorder might steer the conversation back to their own problems or minimize their friend's experience. They might even become annoyed by their friend's emotional needs, seeing them as burdensome or attention-seeking. Section 6. Entitlement, exploitation, and envy. People with narcissistic personality disorder often have a strong sense of entitlement. They believe they deserve special treatment and privileges even without earning them. This sense of entitlement can lead to exploitative behavior, as they may use others to get what they want, regardless of the consequences. They may also experience intense envy towards others who have what they lack, whether it's success, possessions, or relationships. They might try to undermine others' achievements or belittle their accomplishments. For instance, someone with narcissistic personality disorder might constantly expect favors from others without offering anything in return. They might manipulate or exploit those around them to achieve their goals, disregarding the impact on others. This behavior can be incredibly damaging to relationships and create a toxic environment. Section 7. Recognizing the signs, a path to awareness. Understanding the symptoms of narcissistic personality disorder is crucial for promoting mental health awareness. By recognizing these signs in ourselves and others, we can better navigate interpersonal relationships and seek appropriate help when needed. It's important to remember that this essay is not intended for self-diagnosis. If you believe that you or someone you know may have narcissistic personality disorder, it's essential to consult with a qualified mental health professional for a proper evaluation and guidance. By increasing awareness and understanding of narcissistic personality disorder, we can create a more compassionate and supportive environment for those who are struggling with this complex disorder.